friend, today we will learn how to use TextSplit, TextBefore and TextAfter function in Excel. So here we have some example. So let's see TextSplit first. TextSplit, cell reference, delimiter. So my delimiter is a space. Let me close the bracket. So friend, here you can see that each word of the name is split here properly. So earlier we used to left, right and mid function to do same thing, and it was very complicated to use left, right and mid function in a combination. So it's very easy function available now in Office 365. And next one is a text before. Let's see this text before. Here is my text, comma, delimiter is my space. So here you can see that text before first space is now split. So if we want to split the text before second space, then what we can do? So there is one more option here, comma, instance number. So I want the text before second space, like from here, two word. So after second space, so here you can see that now my text is split after second space, like from here, and where there is no second space, then it will give us error. So we can use if error function to avoid the error. So this is, if you want to split the text after third space, then we can put here third. Let's see if we have any text. Yeah, this one. Here text is split after before the third space. So now let's check text after function. Text after, this is my text, comma, delimiter is my space. So you can see here that my text is split after the first space. So if we wish to split after the second space, then we can use same thing here, instance number 2. So here you can see that my text is split now after second space. In order to avoid the error, we can use if error function. If error, then I want nothing. So friend, this was the all about text split, text before and text after. We will see in more details this function in our next videos. So thank you.